Stop! Stop!
Hi, you right?
Hi Zain, how are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Had a good week?
Yeah, it's been okay. What about you?
Yeah, all good, thank you. Okay, so remind me what we did last lesson.
Last lesson we did turning right major to minor road.
Okay, and how did that go?
I've been practicing with my parents and stuff, so now I think I'm not proficient at it just yet, but I did that my knowledge has expanded now.
Okay.
I know what to do now.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, so in terms of today's lesson, what would you like to do?
So the next module will be the emergency stop, because I know that's part of your test as well.
Okay.
I just because someone told me that it was easy as well. Someone said on social media that it was easy, so just get that out of the way and then focus on like the reverse bay parking, the parallel parking, and the maneuvers and stuff.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll drive to location.
Okay.
Okay, and then we'll just have a little talk through there.
Excellent.
Okay. Okay, so now we've arrived at location. Okay, just emergency stop.
Yeah.
So you said to me, you've talked about it. Your friend said
Yeah,
it
yeah.
was easy. Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much knowledge or confidence are you at the moment about the emergency stop?
So I think right now I'm on a 1 or 2. I know what to do, but it's just with this car. Do I put in the clutch first? Is it brake first? And then obviously it's just when to do it and stuff. And
Okay.
then I think once I've mastered that, I'll be. I'm hoping at the end of this lesson I'd be like a 5 or 6.
Okay, good. Okay, so have you watched any videos or?
Yeah, I watched a few on like TikTok and stuff, and he
Okay.
did say to put in the brake first, and then the clutch, like just smack it in. And
Okay.
then that should be an efficient stop, emergency stop.
Okay, so good, yeah, because emergency needs to be an emergency.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we talk about emergency, do you think you need to do any observations, or would you have time? Do you think?
If it's an actual emergency, I don't think we'd have time, because then if the kid's running on the road, then you can't just check your mirrors and stuff. It's got to
Okay.
stop as fast as you can.
Okay.
But yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So you said to me is brake and then clutch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So and then once we've stopped, and then we're ready to move off again. So wherever we are.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think observations are required then?
Once we've stopped and we're moving off, I think they are, just in case you see a car coming or there's people walking or something.
Okay, brilliant, fantastic. So you're looking for cars and people, absolutely. So what mirrors do you think what kind of observations, or where we're kind of looking?
You obviously just be your blind spots, because there could be someone walking, could be cyclists, bicycles there as well,
Yeah.
cars pulling out or something.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, so we're going to try the emergency stop. Okay, so it's a nice quiet area. So all I'm going to, obviously, if it's safe to do so, because sometimes if cars are coming, we can't stop, okay? So when I look around, you just don't stop then, okay? So I will put my hand up and say stop, and that's where we're going to stop. Okay, so when we're going to do this emergency stop, what help and support would you like from me?
I think for my first one, just to see where I'm at, let me get on with it, and then if I make any mistakes, pull me over, and then we'll speak about it. That's okay.
Okay, so you want to do it independently?
Yeah, independently. first.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so when you're ready, I'd like you to move off and follow the road ahead, please. Okay, so along this road somewhere, I'm just going to put my hand out and say stop. Just want you to stop fastly and efficiently
Okay,
as
sweet, that's fine.
possible, okay? Stop! Okay, and when you're ready, move off. Okay, and if you just pull up on the left in a safe place for me, please. Okay, how did you find that?
I don't know if I think I did it good.
Okay.
So because I put in my brake first and my clutch, but I think it could have been faster. I'm not entirely sure. I
Okay.
think I put it more faster or something.
Okay. So why do you think it wasn't fast enough?
Because I've seen it on videos and stuff, they stop instantly, but with me,
Okay.
I think it was just like a 1-2 second delay.
Okay. So do you think the delay? So how like firmly did you press on the pedal? Do you think, or what could you have done different? Do you think to make it stop more efficiently?
I think it's just like smack it in rather than just like gently tap it in or something.
Okay.
But,
Right. Okay. So from the beginning, you scored yourself a 2 and a 3, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Okay. So after doing this once, because you did really good observations as well, and you signaled as well. So well done for that. That was really good. So what would you score yourself after doing it once? Because you've put it in practice now,
Yeah,
haven't you?
I've put it in practice now, so probably 3 or 4 is just if I could do it, because like my technique is good, the brake first and the clutch. So the technique is good, it's just seeing if I can perfect it now where I do it faster.
Okay, that's fine. So would you like to have another go
Another
out
go,
here? Okay, that's fine. So what we're going to do is we'll give it another go.
Yes.
Okay, so would you like any help and support from me, or you think you're happy to do it independently there?
I think if I make a mistake, pull me over, then we'll speak about it. But yeah, independently again, please.
Okay, that's fine. So when you're ready.